Welcome to ProEdge Strategies, where we explore strategies for leadership excellence in the fast-paced world of business. Today we're diving into the art of cultivating resilient teams, essential for success in any corporate environment. In this video, we'll uncover the key strategies that leaders can implement to build resilient teams. Whether you're a seasoned executive or an aspiring leader, this is the place to be. So let's get started. Understanding resilience is the ability to adapt and thrive in the face of adversity. In the corporate world, this means having teams that can overcome challenges and bounce back stronger than ever. But how do we cultivate this resilience? At the heart of resilience lies trust and connection. As leaders, it's our responsibility to foster an environment where team members feel valued and supported. Resilient teams are diverse teams. Embracing different perspectives, backgrounds, and ideas strengthens the team's ability to innovate and problem-solve. Encouraging growth mindset. In a rapidly changing business world, a growth mindset is essential. Leaders should encourage their teams to embrace challenges as opportunities for growth, celebrate failures as learning experiences, and encourage continuous development. When team members see setbacks as temporary and opportunities for growth, they become more resilient in the face of adversity. Resilience isn't just about bouncing back from challenges, it's also about maintaining well-being along the way. As leaders, it's crucial to prioritize the mental and physical health of our teams. Encourage work-life balance, provide resources for stress management, and foster a supportive environment where team members feel comfortable seeking help when needed. In today's fast-paced business world, cultivating resilient teams is essential for leadership excellence. By building trust, embracing diversity, encouraging growth mindset, and prioritizing well-being, we empower our teams to overcome any obstacle and achieve success. Thank you for joining us today on ProEdge Strategies. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content on leadership excellence in the corporate world. Until next time, stay resilient.